Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to learn how to make or why we should make multiple channels on single email account and what are the advantages to make multiple accounts on single email. First of all, when you will monetize your channel and you will get the payment by AdSense, so you also need to make the account on AdSense, and AdSense will verify your account physically also through mail or call or text also. So the main purpose to get income by the channels, so it is the easy way to get income from one position, from one account. So we should make multiple account on a single email account. That's why it is important to make, it is better, not any problem, it is better to make multiple account on a single email account, and you need only one account for that multiple channels of AdSense to receive your rewards. So let's start how to make multiple accounts on single email. As you friend, as you saw, this is the way to create the channels. So this is, and you can manage your account, or you can change the setting at your choice. So I think you have liked this video. Share this video with others and subscribe my channel. Stay blessed.